Hey y'all, so today I'm going to make some peach dumplings. All these is canned peaches. I put nutmeg, cinnamon, 1 cup of sugar, and I got salted butter, 1 stick of salted butter. So I'm gonna cook this down, make Miss Brenda D dumplings, and drop them in here like a berry dumpling. I'll show you. Be right back. We're gonna let this come to a boil. Now, when we were children, so I'm going to dump. So it's peach dumplings, so I'm going to dump some. But also, when we were children, my mom used to take some of those dumplings, put them in a pan, and bake them like biscuits almost. But you put them in here, and you bake them. And we used to just keep them in a little thing separate. And when you get ready to eat your dumpling the next day, you just heat this up in the microwave. Just a little, not a whole lot. And it's just like a little crunchy biscuit with it. So good. This is not a healthy situation here. But it is so good. It's always craving something sweet, and just a little bit, you know, a little goes a long way. So I just wanted to get a little something. So I've been holding out. Be right back. All right, that's how you want these, y'all. Can you see where they're kind of brown a little bit? That's how you want them. So these are your crunchy dumplings that you bake in the oven instead of put inside your dumpling dish. These are so good. You just eat them on the side. Just a few. That's all I cook. All right, so here they've come into a rolling boil. And so now we're going to drop the dumplings in. Again, if you are dieting, this is not diet friendly. What I've learned to do is, if I want something that is not healthy, I eat what is healthy all day, and I give myself a little treat, right? So here are the dumplings. You can cut them as large or as small. I don't like real big dumplings like biscuits. I see some people dumplings be big as biscuits. I don't like mine big. So the problem I have with this is not a lot of liquid. So you're going to need liquid for the dumplings to cook. I used to make this all the time. I just used to eat however I wanted, whenever I wanted. But as you get older, eating that stuff over a course of time, it takes effect on your body. So I still could eat it, but I still do my fruit and my nuts. You know, everything in moderation. Okay, so that's all of our dumplings. And so I am going to let it come back up to a boil, and I'm going to cover it. And I'll come back and show y'all what it looks like. All right, when it's finished. I'll be back. This is what it's looking like, y'all, why I said a rolling boil. See? And what those dumplings doing is sucking up some of that juice. Alright, I'll come back when it's finished. Alright, y'all, so here is the dumplings. Let me show y'all what they look like. See how they look? They're very tender. So I'll make sure I get the peaches and the juice. Then I'll grab me a dumpling or two. I got the wrong, I shouldn't have a slotted spoon because I can't get any of it. But this gonna be fine. That's enough. That's all I want. And then for me, I take and put two of the crunchy dumplings on top. And that's what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Can y'all see it? And it's all, like I said, I only use 1 cup of sugar. I really probably could have put a little bit more sugar, but I said, nah, I don't want any more sugar in it. But this is what it looks like. And there are the dumplings. And let me just taste it. Let me show y'all how tender the dumplings are. See? All right, I just wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna taste it. It's good, and like I said, it's not too sweet. Perfect. All right, y'all.
This moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love.